Welcome back to the Knit Crowd as well as yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today I'm going to show you how to do the garter stitch. Now the garter stitch is really not a separate stitch at all. In actual fact, I learned from that today through Yarnspirations head office today through customer service that the garter stitch is more of a process and not really a stitch. So the garter stitch is actually the knit stitch but done as back and forth rows. So for example, let's just start off here, and if you know how to do the knit stitch, you already know how to do garter. So the knit stitch, which I've already did a tutorial with, is just you're going and you're knitting as normal. Okay, so you're just, it's called the knit stitch, and you're just working your way down the rows. Now garter, all it means is that the process is going back and forth using this exact same stitch. So instead of doing any kind of purling or any other kind of work, garter just means that you're knit stitching back and forth. And so the look that you see underneath in the project of just like the wavy raised edges that you see here, that is achieved through this garter stitch of just knitting back and forth using the knit stitch. So it's really not a process in the sense of a new stitch. It's just more of the concept of doing the knit stitch back and forth in the rows. So it's not really a big deal at all. So when patterns say you just need to garter stitch like 56 rows, that's all it is. It's just a knit stitch going back and forth just like this. So as you get to the end of the row with the garter, then you turn it around, reset your needles into your hands, and begin to do the knit stitch all over again. And that is the garter stitch. So until next time, I'm Mikey on behalf of the Knit Crowd as well as yarnspirations.com. See you again next time.